Hey everyone, this is Shirley, and this is, what is this? Deliberate cooking. Took me a minute to get that. Okay, so you know what? I am making a recipe today. I actually saw on YouTube, and this is one of my regular ladies. She's made a potato soup on soulfoodqueen.net on YouTube. And I don't have all the ingredients she had, but I have most of them. One thing I don't have, I think she said, is parsley flakes. I don't know. I'm just starting, you guys. I don't use all these flavors. Oh, wait a minute. I do have parsley flakes here. I think that's what she said. And I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to use what I have. So this is a potato soup. And so what she have is for us to put the potatoes in chunks. So I started here, and I'm going to do that. And while I'm doing this, I'd like to welcome everyone back to my channel. I like to thank those, I like to thank those original subscribers and my new subscribers, and those who are just passing by. You might as well just subscribe. I try to put out a video once a week. Earlier this week I didn't because I went on a retreat. I'm gonna cut the water on, and I had food to eat that was given to me. Yeah, food. Don't we like food? And so I didn't put one out, but I do have one to replace that one, which is not cook related. So I have the potatoes in there. I'm going to let these boil, get a little salt, and add the rest of the ingredients that she has, which is, I have a little sour cream left in here. I have some ghee, which is butter. I have some heavy whipping cream. I'm going to throw a little bit of this bouillon in there. I have parsley flakes. I think that's what I heard her say. I have basil. I don't know if she said that. A little bit of cornstarch. I'm going to add a little bit of this for some crunch, which is the fennel, because I'm trying to get rid of the rest of this fennel here. And I will see you guys in a few seconds once this starts to boil and get a little bit soft. Okay, so our potatoes are soft at this time. Sorry for moving you. So they're soft. I don't have a lot in there. Yeah, they're pretty soft. I'm going to turn it down just a minute. And the next thing to go in is the butter, or the ghee, or the margarine. She used margarine. So I'm going to put in some of this ghee here. Look at that mess I made, I tell you. Okay, stir that in. The next thing is some black pepper, which I forgot to bring over. I'm going to put in a little black pepper. Oh, I can never get this open when I any other time the top would be flying off. There, a little black pepper. Okay, we got our pepper in there. I am also going to put in, I think she said parsley flakes. Okay. Put in a little bit of that smell. It smells good. Okay. You can see how much I put in there. A little bit of parsley flakes. Stir that in. Then I'm going to add the milk. Shake it up. Add a little bit of milk. Hold on, you guys. Add some milk to this. Okay. Oh, that do look good. Look at that. It do look good. As she said, I think she might have said that may be where I got it from. Put a little bit more. Okay. Make it just a little bit more creamier. Now I will add the cornstarch and let it simmer down a little bit. Have a little bit of cornstarch here. I'm sorry, I'm so quiet. I'm concentrating. Oh man, I guess most of you got your holiday shopping done if you celebrate it. And all that stuff. Yeah, I don't know how this, I didn't want it to be lumpy. And all your holiday stuff. I'm sorry being on pause. I'm concentrating in. Okay, so I'm gonna let this boil down a little bit, and then I add the sour cream to it, and we will see how this tastes. Okay, you guys, let's see what this looked like. I think I needed more potatoes, but no, it's just for me. My battery's dying out. Potato soup. See what that tastes like. Okay. I'm sure I didn't put any salt in here. Whoops. There you go. Let's see what this tastes like. It's good. Need to be a little bit thicker. But it's good. So presentation, it's okay. I don't have any other things added on it. Taste is good. Just more potatoes. Thank you, Soul Food Queen on YouTube for this recipe. You guys take care of yourself until next time. Bye bye.